Newspaper crocodile. The crocodile can swim in water and also walk on land. Isn't that interesting? Let us make this newspaper crocodile together. You will need crayons, old newspaper, glue, googly eyes, white teeth stickers. Color the water blue and the bushes green using crayons. Ask your teacher or parent to cut the newspaper. Apply glue and paste the newspaper pieces to fill the crocodile shape. Apply glue and paste the googly eyes as shown. Color the tongue red. Paste white triangles from the sticker sheet to show the teeth of the crocodile. The crocodile is ready to swim away.